My name is Hector Glomarhido. I am 16 years old. I live in Maniganaga, Bulan, Sorsogon.
And ako po si Ira Cabilinia from MA Rojas po, and I'm 18 years old. I am Jalan Bitango. I am 15 years old. I am from Zone 2 Bulan, Sorsogon.
RBG Agne from Barangay Nasri, Bulan, Sorsogon, and I'm 17 years old.
I'm Lorenza Ehiga. I'm from San Vicente, Bulan, Sorsogon, and I am 12 years old.
Yung purpose ko is to be para marinig ako ng ng karamihan. Yun lang.
Hindi mo ko alam.
Nag-intro po ako para mas mapalawak ko po ang mga kailangan po pong i-improve sa pagkakanta. Yun yung malaman po yung mga techniques and ang mga iba't ibang genre na pwede ko pong makita. And ang purpose ko po para makilala rin po ng buong mundo ang talento na binigay po sa atin ng Ama.
At hindi ka lumayo nung ako yung sumusunod ko at nagbago ang mundo nung ako'y biglang.
The reason why I joined this audition po is kasi po I want a dream to come true. A dream na simula pa po nung bata ako na meron ako. I want to make music, and maybe this is the first step that I will be taking. And this is my first time auditioning a singing competition po.
Nag-intro po ako dito kay gusto ko pa sa experience.
Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. Yeah, for sure. Tell me, baby, that's what happened to boy. Oh, for good times and bad times. Tell me when you're staying forevermore.
Sumali po ako para ma-enhance ang talent ko and mapakita din po ang talent ko.
But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. But it burned while I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name.
Hari Ferreira Senerano. I am currently 15 years old and I live in St. Vincent Subdivision, Bulan, Sorsogon.
My name is Alexa Gallosa. I am 18 years of age and I am from Zone 8 Bulan, Sorsogon.
I'm Luisa Bautista, 19 years old and currently living in Purok-Sais, Magsaysay, Bulan, Sorsogon.
I'm Lovely Bernas from Abad Santos, Bulan, Sorsogon. I am 15 years old.
My name is Kaiza Bayoka. I'm 17 years old from Irusin, Sorsogon.
My name is Aliyah Gracilia po. I'm from Judel Pilar. I'm 16 years old.
Sumali po ako dito sa competition na po so that I can enrich these talents of mine. Since hobby ko po ang mag-sing and also I can use this as the way in pursuing my ideal future po.
I will never fall in love again until I found her.
join here because I want to share my passion and gusto kong ma-inspire ang other people na to chase their dream. And also, I want to help my parents for my upcoming college this year.
As the earth burns to the ground, oh girl, it's you that I'm lying with. As the autumn lungs and oh girl, it's you I watch to be with. As the world pavement.
Nag-join po ako dito sa contest ay para makatulong po sa pamilya ko at isa po to sa mga pangarap ko.
Just like a dream to me, just like kaleidoscope colors that cover me. All I need, every breath that I breathe. Don't you know you're beautiful?
Ako po ay sumali dito dahil gusto ko po may improvement po ang aking boses na at gusto ko po manalo. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
In this time, they'll love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. So she's back in this life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this
Kaya po ako din nag-interact para po makadanon din po ako sa mama ng papa ko. Then, yun po, parang ano. Then, gusto ko rin po maka-experience maglaban, gano'n. Maglaban sa mga singing contest para po ma-enhance pa po ang talent ko sa pagkanta.
Just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time that I go by. Just fall in love again, and when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you.
Gusto ko po mag-interview syempre po sa premyo. Una-una po sa premyo kay kapos po kami sa kwarta. Mao lang po.
In spite